So yo, it is going the down outside.
Oh man, oh shit!
Hey y'all, I'm Toeknee Tee, and that's Diamond the Dogho, and we're rock stars. No, like real rock stars. But this is our girl Nienke, at least that's how we found her. She's a 44-foot catamaran, and with nothing but some elbow grease and a mechatronic systems engineering degree, we're gonna bring it back to life. So join us for the journey, y'all. More here, y'all, mom. Chilling. Love him. What's up, y'all? Today I'm finally gonna do the floors. It's a little pissy outside, but that's okay. I got a new piece for the sander to attach the actual sanding heads on, so that's gonna finally do what it do. I have like kind of the instructions on how to get the resin, or yeah, the polyester resin into the actual plywood. I'm probably gonna clean the plywood first, so let's get it in.
That's the way it goes, yeah. Hey, cooling in the cut, my head up in the gully. Beard froed out, black Jesus ain't too bummy. Life's been kinda crummy, I never let you know it. Thankful for the Netherlands, let your boy grow it. What is it? It's a mystery.
All right, so I got the floor up. I got it knocked out. I was gonna sand it, but the piece I got from Home Depot today was the wrong piece, of course. I don't really know how to work a sander anyway, so I'm really about to just hit this bad boy with my hand and the little sand pads. Cause I really want these floors done today. Hey y'all, Toeknee Tee coming to you in real time. Today is June 30th, and I want to say thanks to everybody who's been liking, sharing, subscribing. Please do if you haven't already. But if YouTube ain't enough for you, you should think about joining our crew. You see, most people, they're gonna send you to a Patreon, but we're a tech company. We make that kind of software. And so we've got our own web app for Nienke, which has bonus content, videos earlier than they're gonna hit YouTube, a way to track everything that we've been spending on this boat, job by job, and then also real-time updates with our location, the sea state, and more else to come. So if you wanna see more of what we got going on, head over to our free web app, and anybody who contributes more than $25, a subscriber or one time, gets a free koozie this month. You get a color of your choice, and you can pick Diamond the Dogho, you can pick Toeknee Tee, and also, of course, you got Torian Tech as well. So here's back to the video, y'all. All right, y'all, the goal here is to first sand it down, these little pads, and then I'm busting with some acetone with this little brush to kind of clean the surface. And after that, we're gonna shake up some polyester and throw that shit on there. So I've never worn polyester, not without my knowing, but I guess we're gonna make some polyester floor today.
End of the race, yes, I'm at the finish line. Health insurance decline, I got the sickest grind, mixed in with a little bit of misery. Yeah, all of this fixable with a swish of sweet. I'm from the boondocks with them po' boys, the ones off in the streets, up in the sandwich. Come right half stepping and you might incur some damage. Risk your life for the culture, hope that you can manage. Back in the days, I hit my man up for the grammage. Now today it's at the coffee shop. Buggies in the conkle, both of them be blowing off my top. Although the Autobahn is cool, I miss sliding around bad roads with my tool, ayy. Hey, hey, and that's the way it goes, yeah. Hey, and that's the way it goes, yeah.
We're about to put the gel coat on, which is like the last step of the floors. It's really overkill putting gel coat on because I'm about to put SeaDeck on top of all this anyway. But in say 5 or so years, if I change the SeaDeck or something, I want to be able to look at this and be like, okay, the deck is still pretty straight. I don't want to have to replace it. So hopefully by 10 o'clock tonight, we'll have all of the pieces inside for that first half of the salon. So then we'll be chilling. I heard something hit the hole, and I think we got a little visitor outside. Let's see. I'll let him sleep. So like I mentioned, I did a really good job yesterday. So proud of myself for sealing the floors, but I was a little too enthusiastic. So, you know what, I wanted to set and dry overnight. I should have done that inside. Because all it do, it's got me redoing it this morning. That's okay. That's okay. I sanded it down. I'm gonna give them all one more coat just to be on the safe side of things. Then today's the day we're gonna lay them bad boys down. Thing is, I wanna start with kind of the most middle piece. So this big in here, cause it's got like a groove in it, and I just needed to, I know once I set them down, you gotta be very specific and like very intentional with getting them down. So we're gonna lay them down one more time just to get it. I've been cleaning that area, get all the dust and stuff out of it, getting a nice surface. But we're gonna lay it down one more time just to make sure everything's lock and key. Then we're gonna put the Sticker Flex imitation West Marine version down. They say put little beads every like couple millimeters, but I don't know, man. We gonna throw this thing out. We're gonna see what we're gonna do.
Hey, like a tiger out the jungle, this ain't no threat, but I don't come in peace. My girl, her booty soft as like velour, finest of the fleece, no Socrates. Vacation or Bible school ain't came to learn. No for breaking Cali law, trapping on a Sunday mern. Legend in the making like the Mazda stones of Masons. As I ride these ups and downs, life like six flat paper chasing, but now I'm paying.
All right, y'all, so I've been fucking around with that coffee gun for like the last 30 minutes, pissing me off. I don't know what's not going, whatever. I done tried 2 YouTube videos, shit ain't twerking. I know I ain't trying to have no excuses. I want these floors down. So I got this drumstick and I got the back of this fucking adhesive. We getting it in, y'all.
Don't ask about me, I'm doing fine.
Ooh, good to be. When I was down, you got me up, but now you're talking about you waiting on me. I'm up and now they're talking about you waiting on me.
Now I be, and now it's like,
who could it be? When I was down, you got me up, but now you're talking about you waiting on me. I'm up and now they're talking about they waiting on me.
Hey, lately life ain't been so great. Ain't the top to try.
More for y'all all. So yo, it is going the fuck down outside, and what am I doing? You know it. No, for real, I've been out there lashing shit down. Everything that's been loose, I'm figuring out that it's loose because it's flip-flopping around. My kick-up rudder out there, it's loose as shit. It's out there. I finally got it secured with some boards, thankfully, because I got umpteen pieces of lumber in this bitch. Oh, man, check this shit out, dog. Yeah. So glad I got a catty cat because Diamond wouldn't be feeling that in the mono, would you? No. And my bubba. So we're gonna ride it out for the rest of the night, I guess. I'm gonna pull up. I'm gonna wake up in the morning and it's gonna be raining tomorrow, so I'm probably not gonna be able to do no boat work tomorrow. I'm just gonna code some projects, I guess. Not how I like to be spending my week, but this is what I get for not checking the weather. Hey, welcome to boat life, y'all.
It's really doing damage, dog. It's really doing damage.
Oh, I don't know if y'all caught that, but this storm is really fucking up my boat on the inside. I need to, that's a problem. I gotta make some batting boards. Today we're about to go to the store. I've been calculating engineering shit all motherfucking night, so I think I got all the wires that I need to do. I've been on Amazon left and right ordering shit that I'm probably gonna have to return. But point is, we're getting this electrical up today. Toilet's working. I need my power on. I need to be able to do shit at night and not go to sleep like a fucking 17th century pilgrim. So we're gonna order Uber, get some food on the way. Say hey, and hopefully have some great news for y'all tomorrow when everything starts showing up. All right, I'm back from the store. We're gonna try to make these battens. So I'm tired of this dog beating the shit out of my boat. I got the saw hooked up. Never used it before. Whenever, yeah, here we go. It's going down outside, as you can see. I don't know if you can tell from the back, but it's day 3. It's supposed to be the last day of the storm, so I ain't worried about it. See my boy down there chilling, doing his thing. Even though the floors look like shit, like I'm happy they down. I'm gonna get these ones down tomorrow, and then everything gonna be good. My EVA foam comes tomorrow as well, so we're gonna have some good looking flows for the weekend. Hey.
Living every day like it's the motherfucking weekend. Your best friend, I get to diving like a deep end. Give her back on Thursday, I ain't really with the keeping. This is just the average Wednesday, who I'm really beaming. Living every day like it's the motherfucking weekend. The weekend, every day like it's the weekend. The weekend, every day like it's the weekend. The weekend, every day like it's the weekend, living every day like it's the motherfucker. I start my week like you on Monday hitting bake up. Now I ain't picking up no croissants, I'm trying to get this cake up. And when I fall off in my trap, you know it's time to lock down. It's underground and in the town, we fuck around past sundown. Now who I'm with? Me, my dog Diamond, we at the south and talking shit. So transparent, you can't see it, how I make these hits. In your city, got attention, locals think it's rent. Cause everybody talking about this hick and they like Tony T. How you come right here with English records, yet they know this thing. I ain't got no choice to reach the top.
More for y'all mall. We're upside down. But the guys just came through to do some measurements for the bimini top. We're gonna have to actually do 2 of them, so we're gonna actually utilize my little spoiler in the back here. But check this bird out over there struggling. He got him up. It's funny, like he just got like the last piece of it. He's like, go down, go down. We just chilling the whole time. I was gonna go out the way to get a window. I'm waiting on them to call me back the whole time. We ordered some pad tire in the meantime. And I might go to sleep after this. I might say fuck that window till next week. I don't know. If they have it, they have it. If not, if not. But if they don't call me back, I ain't gonna know, and I ain't gonna waste an Uber up there trying to find it. So in about an hour, I'm gonna be able to put my floors down. I'm excited about that. It's a cool day today, temperature-wise. So it'll just be a hell of a good Saturday. We see. This is our phone. It looks pretty good. I ain't gonna flex. That's the color I was looking for. That's the spacing I was looking for. It's called Abu Hub. Got it off Amazon. It wasn't the cheapest shit they had, but it was like the medium cheap shit they had. But I saved myself about, I don't know, $400 on that little stack of 4 right there. What's up, y'all? I don't know what day it is, but it's Monday. The 14th, I think, or something like that. But anywho, got the floors done. As you can see, feeling good, feeling good. Oh man, that's great. I'll get the paint kind of soon, but I'm gonna get the electronics jumping this week. No more shore. That's the motto this week. No more shore. And you start ordering the steering
can change the settings in the inverter so that this works great.
Sorry, I've been accomplishing a whole bunch these last couple of days. I've just been a little tired to capture it, but we back. I always said once I see this, I'm hooked, and it came today. Oh man, oh shit! So today we painting. I'm really excited. I'm kind of procrastinating putting the energy in still, but I got the floors down, and before I put the trim down, I said I need to get the walls painted to my color. We need to get this Little Mermaid shit up out here. So as y'all know, we going from this into this. So the paint's going on real easy, real fast too. I got way more paint than I need, so I'm definitely gonna be painting the rest of everything probably this weekend. I'm gonna get just the salon done today, and then we're gonna move on to something else. We'll get this power in today. I'm gonna quit fucking about, and then we got lights. We're gonna really be living. We really gonna be living how we like our style after I get these walls painted and everything down and up to our standards of life. So I'm excited.
I'm just living, I just have a life. Everybody feeling good.
47 pizza rolls later. So first things first, we gotta seal some boards. That medium one right there. I was trying to not have to cut some more boards, but I got too much. I ain't got enough space on that board. It's a big acute. So I'm gonna have these bus bars on this board here. Hopefully that'll either come out really nice when it's all set up, or it's just gonna piss me off. We'll figure it out along the way. Luckily as well, I'm quite good at laying polyester, so this won't be an all-day mission getting these boards sealed up.
So this is really half the value of this. So this is a much better insulator.
Well, that's it for this week, y'all. Diamond finally got the floors he can frolic on, and I finally started working on our electricity. Stay tuned for next week where we start making our own power and begin living off grid. And don't forget to join our crew over there on Nienke's web app. All contributions are appreciated.